Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how we can use sum plus text split function using two methods. Now I have this table. It includes student ID, student name, marks separated by comma. I use two methods to find total using sum plus text split function. Now let's start with the method 1. From here, just insert the formula equal sign sum. Double click on it. Then text split. This one. Double click on it. Then insert the cell which includes the marks. This one. Comma. Insert double quotation. You see column delimiter. It is comma. Again double quotation. Close bracket. Plus 0. This plus 0, it converts the text to the value. Close bracket. Enter. You see, the sum is 485. Just drag it. That's method 1. Let's start with second method. Equal sign, sum. Then insert minus sign 2 times. This double minus sign converts text to numeric value. Then text split. Insert the marks. Insert comma. Double quotation. Column delimiter. It is comma. Double quotation. Close bracket. Enter. You see, you get the same result. Now, scroll down and bring it to center. Make it bold. Make it larger size, sorry. Okay. That's all. Have a nice day.